Imagine sipping on a drink that not only quenches your thirst, but also has some awesome benefits for your health. Well, such a drink exists, and it's called clove water. This simple and refreshing drink has the ultimate power to improve your overall health in many ways. From improving digestion to boosting your immune system, clove water is among the best refreshing drinks for summer. So let's move on and take a closer look at the top 10 amazing benefits of clove water. We'll also show you how to make it at home. Without any further delay, let's begin. Number 1. It helps boost your digestive health. Clove water contains a natural compound called eugenol. This powerful compound has healing properties that can help soothe and calm the digestive system. When you drink clove water, the eugenol in it stimulates the production of certain digestive enzymes. These enzymes play a crucial role in breaking down the food we eat into smaller, more manageable components. By doing so, they make it easier for your body to efficiently extract and absorb the nutrients from everything you eat. Clove water also has carbonated properties, which means it can help you with issues like bloating, gas, and indigestion. It helps you by getting rid of extra air that gets trapped in your digestive system, providing relief from these discomforts. But that's not all. Clove water is really good for helping you have healthy bowel movements. It can help you have better digestion and prevent constipation. Before we move on, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. If you find our videos helpful, please support us by becoming a patron. Number 2. It supports your oral health. One great thing about clove water is its antimicrobial properties. These properties allow it to fight harmful bacteria that can create chaos in your mouth, the usual culprits behind tooth decay and bad breath. Not just that, clove water also has analgesic properties, which means it acts as a natural painkiller and can effectively reduce pain and discomfort associated with dental problems. If you're experiencing toothaches or gum soreness, rinsing your mouth with clove water can provide temporary relief with a soothing sensation, making you feel more comfortable. Number 3. It can enhance your immune function. The antimicrobial properties of clove water work with your immune system to fight against harmful microorganisms like bacteria and viruses. This way, your body stands a better chance against many types of illnesses and infections. Not just that, but clove water is also rich in many antioxidants, especially eugenol. This compound helps your body fight against harmful free radicals, which can weaken our immune system and expose us to diseases. Additionally, clove water also has awesome anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a normal immune response to injury or infection. But when it becomes chronic, it can impair our immune system's functioning. But luckily, certain compounds present in cloves can not only help reduce inflammation in the body, but also reduce the risk of developing many chronic diseases, including many types of cancer. Number 4. It helps improve your respiratory health. Being a great source of anti-inflammatory compounds, clove water helps reduce inflammatory conditions in your respiratory system, including cough, chest congestion, sinus inflammation, and difficulty breathing. Moreover, the antimicrobial properties of clove water can potentially reduce the risk of developing respiratory tract infections due to bacteria and viruses. And if that's not enough, clove water also acts as a natural expectorant. It can help thin mucus and make it easier to expel from the respiratory tract. This can be especially helpful for you if you consistently have excess mucus in your chest and throat. Number 5. Clove water aids in better heart health. The amazing benefits of clove water also help you achieve good heart health. This is mainly because clove water helps in the dilation or widening of blood vessels. This dilation allows for smoother blood flow, easing the burden on your heart as it pumps blood throughout the body. Enhanced blood circulation not only improves overall cardiovascular function, but also helps supply oxygen and nutrients to organs and tissues, making them perform more efficiently. Moreover, clove water has been linked with cholesterol-lowering effects. High levels of low-density lipoprotein or bad cholesterol can clog arteries, increasing the risk of heart disease. Research shows that cloves help lower LDL cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of artery blockages, and supporting good heart health And lastly, during some studies, eugenol in clove water has shown promising effects in maintaining optimal blood pressure levels, ensuring that the heart doesn't have to work harder than necessary. Number 6. It can help you against headaches and migraines. Headaches and migraines can happen due to many reasons, such as taking too much stress and eating many unhealthy foods and drinks. These triggers can lead to inflammation in the blood vessels in your head. This inflammation can cause you to have the throbbing pain you feel during a headache or migraine. But as we mentioned earlier, the eugenol in clove water can cause your blood vessels to relax and reduce inflammation in them. By doing so, it helps to maintain a smooth blood flow to your brain, leading to much-needed relief from headaches or migraines. Plus, it has a refreshing effect on your nerves after you drink it, and that helps you stay calm and relaxed, so you can think of it as a gentle, soothing agent that calms the storm inside your head. Number 7. It helps you manage weight. One way clove water supports weight management is by boosting your metabolism. Metabolism refers to the body's ability to convert food into energy. When your metabolism is efficient, it means your body can burn calories and fat more effectively. So if you drink clove water every day, it can help you lose your extra body fat quickly and effectively. Having a fast metabolism also means your body can absorb nutrients from the food more efficiently and can also improve your body's ability to store fat. So even if you have a lower body mass index than normal, clove water can help you achieve your desired weight, given that you are consuming enough calories. Additionally, clove water can help you have balanced blood sugar levels. So when your blood sugar levels are stable, you're less likely to experience sudden spikes and crashes in energy. This can help you feel more energetic and satisfied, without feeling the need for high-calorie foods or unhealthy snacks. Plus, it can also improve insulin sensitivity, which is important for overall health and weight management. Another amazing benefit of clove water is its potential to suppress appetite. Feeling hungry can often lead to overeating or indulging in unhealthy food choices. So when you drink clove water every day before meals, it can make you feel fuller for longer periods. Again, this can help reduce your overall calorie intake and get maximum benefit from your weight loss efforts. Number 8. It helps relieve muscle and joint pain. Muscle and joint pain is often quite discomforting and can hinder your daily activities, but fortunately, clove water offers a simple and accessible solution that can help you prevent these pains. The eugenol found in clove water acts as a natural pain reliever and can reduce pain sensations in muscles and joints. This is mainly because eugenol in cloves interacts with certain receptors in your brain that make you feel pain. But if you are already taking medications for pain, you should ask your health expert before drinking clove water every day. That's mainly because cloves' properties can also interfere with the effects of the medications you might be taking. Number 9. It can enhance your skin health. Clove water's antibacterial properties help your body fight the infection-causing bacteria, the usual culprits behind acne and pimples. More amazingly, clove water also acts as a natural astringent. In other words, it helps to tighten your skin and reduce excess oiliness. This is great news for many ladies who are dealing with oily skin, wrinkles, or enlarged skin pores. By using clove water as a part of your skincare routine, you can achieve smoother, more radiant, and more beautiful skin. Number 10. It helps improve your mental health. The antioxidant compounds in clove water help reduce oxidative stress in your body, including your brain. Free radical damage or oxidative stress is a major risk factor behind age-related neurodegenerative diseases such as dementia and Alzheimer's. Even better, cloves' healing properties can even help reduce age-related damage to the nerve cells, leading to a lower risk of developing these age-related diseases. And lastly, cloves' soothing and relaxing effects help you feel fresh and stress-free throughout the day. Now let's see how can you make clove water. All you have to do is take a few cloves, around 3 to 4, and add them to a cup of boiling water. Let the mixture steep for a few minutes, allowing the cloves' compounds to infuse into the water. Then, strain the cloves and drink the water while it's still warm. Thank you for watching and subscribing to the channel. See you in the next video.